Titicaca is not just a lake. It's very large, more than 8,000 square kilometers, and both people from Peru and Bolivia are benefiting from this lake. In order to analyze the water quality, just having a snapshot of the entire lake is not extremely relevant because it's more like 8,000 square kilometers. So we focused on certain areas of interest. By far the most interesting part is the one located southeast. It's called Lago Menor. We divided Lago Menor in 3 functional zones: east, center and west. And we were able to identify different behaviors within these 3 regions. No matter they are close and they are part of the same lake, their behavior is totally different. In March 2015, it was a massive algal bloom event. You can see the green color. This is a natural color images. But then, doing further processing, we were able to isolate chlorophyll and suspended particulate matter. And we were able to do a trophic classification of the water quality. Usually Lake Titicaca stays within the very first 2 classes, oligotrophic and mesotrophic. However, for this particular event, you see that lots of these waters turned eutrophic or even hypereutrophic. The decision maker has no longer wonder what does this color represent, but the information is delivered to him in a very easy to digest way. So he can point out where were exactly the hotspots in terms of hypereutrophic trophic class, but we also deliver them some metrics. How many hectares were affected? What was the dynamics of the phenomenon? This is a synthesis of the analysis we did. We looked at some environmental parameters such as water quality, precipitation, lake water surface temperature, land cover changes, population dynamics, and we simply delivered them the metrics. What happened between 2003 and 2016? What happens in terms of water quality? 2 variables were analyzed, chlorophyll and turbidity, and you can see that in the eastern part, the chlorophyll is dropping. Why is that? Because the tributaries of this particular area, they don't come from polluted areas. There are no big cities upstream, no agriculture upstream. Our approach was always a sustainable one, meaning that we used the free data from the European Space Agency and also from NASA that allow us or to any other company to continue the study while delivering the very same parameter, meaning to have a homogeneous series of data starting back in 2003.